now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We have an early look. I think these come out on Saturday. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but these are early. Jordan Brand has finally showed some love to the females with this Satin 1 shattered backboard colorway. Oh man, there's not even much I need to say about this shoe. Just look, leather, buttery, satin though, so you know that's buttery. And man, none of the stores in my town, I don't think, are getting these. This is a beautiful shoe. Right now, if you have early pairs, they're selling for like 600. So literally, let's get rich, man. Let's get rich. But yeah, there's really a lot of things I really like about this shoe. First, obviously, it's an OG. It's an OG one. I really like that. Also, right here, I like that the holes for the shoelaces are like, I like the holes are like metal. That, I don't know, it's just hints like that. I really like this. They really took their time on this Jordan 1 for women. And obviously, they're all in women's sizes. I'm pretty sure it goes from 5 to 12. But here's what's crazy, the 12 women's, those pairs are gonna be really hard to find, and they are gonna be really expensive. Right now, there's like a bid on StockX for like $1,000 if you have a 12. So this is an 8. But just a really nice looking shoe. We got the stitched Nike swoosh. And once again, the buttery leather. I really like this shoe. This is one of them shoes like, this is a must cop for females. This is a must cop. You need this shoe in your collection. Especially, I know a lot of females that love Jordan 1s. I think they look good on feet with pretty much anybody, but females do look good in them. Sorry, my girlfriend's gonna be mad I said that, but you got a pair coming, so don't trip. But yes, a beautiful shoe, selling for a lot. Must cop, must cop. Hit me up, markhicks.com. You know, I do some pre-orders, but you can request some shoes. If you don't see a shoe on there for pre-order, hit me up. I can add it to the site. I can get whatever you need, man. This is what I'm doing. We gotta eat somehow, man. Like this video. If this video gets, let's make the number weird. If the video gets 105 likes, I will give away a pair of this shoe. So yes, like the video. Follow my Instagram, MarcoPolo2023. Other YouTube kicks, Mark Kicks and Whips, you know, over there. Go follow that too. But yes, Satin 1.